哥们，你是韭菜 ，and 我是老韭菜。最近，哥们 ，you and me have both been 割死了。咱们最近都被割了，都被割死了。被谁割了呢？这个小傻逼 ，this stupid little vegan， 他又割了咱们的韭菜。And this is why I need to make more crypto videos, 哥们，因为我早知道 Sam 这个人是一个贱人。当 FTX 崩溃之前，我都拍了一个视频，专门解释 Sam 的山寨币骗钱套路。我早知道 Sam 这个人是一个割韭菜的老大，我1分钱都没有放在 FTX， 我一直不信他。But 不管咱们亏了多少，咱们要前进，冒着吃素的割菜。前进。这个视频会分析一个重要问题，就是 Is this the generational crypto bottom? Is it time to my? 第一 ，the charts， 咱们先分析一下 the charts。OK， 哥们，看看比特币现在从高峰到底部跌了 -77%。From 69k to 15.5k. If we look at history, we can see that 每个10年的循环，比特币会跌，从高峰到底部会跌85%。2018年的时候就是这样子。我们看看这个趋势 ，the price action is actually very similar. This is 2018 and this is now. 大概1年的时间。看起来差不多。So 如果比特币和以前一样跌的话，那么底部就是$11,000。Very interesting, 哥们。OK， 咱们现在看看 Ethereum。Ethereum in 2018 dropped 95%， 跌了95%。And today， 今天 Ethereum has only dropped -82%。From the 高峰 $4,800 to $900。那么如果 Ethereum 再跌95%的话，像以前一样的话 ，that would be $240 per Ethereum。Wow！ 所以如果和上次一样的话，下面还有下降的空间。Now there's no rule to say that crypto will go down the same amount in percentage terms that it went down last cycle. That's just silly. There's no rule to suggest that. In fact, you could argue that crypto should go down less than 2018 because it's gone up less. The volatility is shrinking over time as it's becoming bigger. 那么用这个逻辑的话，你可以说已经跌了77%，我的天，我去，已经够多了吧？应该够多了吧 ？This should be the 底部了。第二 ，the market cycle， 看看这个图，哥们，非常有意思。这个图 ，the psychology of a market cycle， 我觉得很有用。问你一个问题，哥们，你觉得我们在哪里？在这个图里面 ，Where are we？Where are we in the market? 现在我认为我们靠近 depression. We are entering into a stage of depression and boredom. 因为 panic, capitulation and anger 已經過去了。這是什麼呢？這是 major crypto firms going bankrupt. 比如說 Three Arrows Capital, Celsius, BlockFi, FTX.Maybe DCG, 我们还不知道，破产了。So that was capitulation. They became forced sellers. They sold all their crypto. And now people like Stanley Druckenmiller, 一个特别有名的、特别厉害的 hedge fund manager, 他都说了，他已经卖了，他没有虚拟货币了。He's sold, and many other people have already sold.
I don't own Bitcoin.
Crypto?
It's tough for me to own anything like that.With central banks tightening.
And 我们看看最近的西方媒体的 headlines：The Economist, crypto's downfall; Bloomberg Business Week, the fall of a crypto empire. 甚至我父母，甚至我爸最近告诉我，最近说，哦，给力，这个虚拟货币是不是完蛋了？是不是结束了 ？It's FTX collapse, everyone's lost their money. It's over, it's over. 大家都没有自信了，你还是搞别的吧。So I think the sentiment in the market is very low. 所以对我来说 we are somewhere between anger and depression. Now, can we get more panic and capitulation, 哥们? Well, we can, but I think it's very unlikely. 比如说 Binance. 如果 Binance 崩溃了，破产了 oh no, 完蛋了 it's over. That would be terrible. USDT, Tether. If Tether collapses, that would be terrible. Those two things would be the worst things that could happen to crypto, and that would take us very low indeed. But I think they are both very unlikely.Very unlikely. 第四个，2023年的 eco bubble 啥？什么是 eco bubble？ 听听，哥们。A post-bubble market rally that results in another smaller bubble. 就像一个大的泡沫爆炸了，去年爆炸了，所以等一段时间会再有一个新的泡沫，小的泡沫会出来。那么为什么呢？因为简单来说，咱们都是男人。咱们都要赌博，咱们都要we are 上瘾了 ，OK？And we want to gamble. we are just degenerate gamblers, and that's why you get smaller bubbles after a big bubble, because we all remember the big bubble and we want to make money again. We just want to gamble. 这是一个趋势，大的泡沫就有小的泡沫，这个历史上一直有这个。我们看看历史吧，我们看看比特币2018年的时候，那么 when Bitcoin was at the bottom, it stayed in a range from $3,000 to $4,000 for 4 months, okay, from December to April. Boring depression. That was the boring depression stage. And then from April to June, it did a 4x and shot up to $13,000. Whoa. And this was a little eco bubble. Many 新的项目来了，Pulse token 就是一个 Ponzi，Pulse token Ponzi 那个时候来了，然后 people found a reason to gamble and prices went up again. So 对我来说 this is very likely to happen next year, where you'll see new projects, new Ponzi's come up, but we won't break all-time highs. We'll have a little smaller 泡沫。第四个 inflation is over. 结束了，哥们 ，Wow， 通货膨胀变了，这是最 bullish 的一点。最近美国 CPI 跌到7.7了，终于跌了。英语的话就是 inflation has rolled， 意思就是你看看 inflation 的趋势 ，inflation 的 graph，it was just going up, up, up and rolled。在高方的话 ，it starts to roll and the trend starts to reverse, trend reversal, and it goes down。And what that means is，哥们，美联储终于会开始停止升息 and maybe 开始降息 okay next year. And so if they stop raising rates and bring rates down, that's very good for all risk assets, equities, Bitcoin. 那我们可以看看 the dxy, which is the 美元 the dollar, the strength of the dollar, okay? And 我们可以看看美元开始跌了。What is crypto priced against? What is the pair? BTC and what? 没错，哥们 USD. So when 美元 goes down, it's good for Bitcoin because it means Bitcoin will go stronger relative to the dollar. 所以很简单，如果通货膨胀继续下降的话，美元也继续跌，然后美股和虚拟货币都会涨，爽死了。第五个，美国经济衰退 recession。那么很多高手认为，明年美国 recession 会变更糟糕。
I will be stunned if we don't have a recession in 23. And I don't rule out, not my forecast, but I don't rule out something really bad.
这里最重要的数据就是 the unemployment rate 失业率，现在才是3.7%，但是如果这个失业率能降到很高的话，比如说10%，哇哦，这个非常严重，这个对咱们的币非常好。我来解释一下，如果很多人失业了，没有工作了，没有钱了，没事干了，他们要干嘛呢？Well, we can look at 2020年疫情的时候，在美国发生了什么事情？很多人失业了，因为疫情 lockdowns。那么这些穷人就开始跑到外边搞事情了。抗议 street protests, rioting， 就像2020年的 Black Lives Matter protests， 大家都没事干，大家很无聊，大家也没钱，所以正因为这个，政府就要发钱，送给穷人钱。This is what they did in 2020 with the stimulus checks, over $2 trillion worth。那这个钱要从哪来的？哥们，没错，美联储要印钱的。美联储印钱，美元狂跌，咱们的币狂涨。爽死了！所以如果物业率够高的话，我认为这个会引起下一个牛市。不要忘初心，哥们，不要忘记我们这个行业的初心。我们就在和中央银行打仗。Crypto is a bet that central banks and governments will continue to destroy their own currencies. 他们要继续印钱，他们的国家币就会继续狂跌。and 咱们的虚拟货币就会继续狂涨。那么，哥们，如果你想让我教你如何 trade， 如何看 charts， 如何做 technical analysis， 请告诉我，评论一个告诉我，然后点一个赞，让我知道你想要这个内容。Because I'm thinking maybe I will do a video series on technical analysis。告诉我吧，点一个赞。那么，哥们，如果你在交易所做 trading 的话 ，FTX has taught us 不要当韭菜 ，OK？ 不要当韭菜。Don't leave all your money in one centralized place. 不要把你所有的钱放在一个交易所。If you're trading， 我的建议是把20%、10%、30% 放在你的交易所做 trading，and 你大量的钱存在自己的 hardware wallet。OK，be safe， 不要当韭菜。如果你想在 Bybit 交易所做 trading 的话，你可以用我的优惠链接下面，用它报名，有各种 deposit bonuses。OK， 到这了，给我们点一个赞，关一个注，评个论，再见。